Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Mariness. Let's try to solve this question. And the question is x plus y is equal to 8. The second equation is product of x y is equal to 48. We find the value of x and y, and in our question it's given that x and y belongs to complex numbers. So let's start. Look at this equation. This is a x plus y, it's equal to 8. We call this is a equation number 1, and product of x y is equal to 48. This is our equation number 2. So look at this equation number 1. We subtract a y on both sides of this equation. So this will become x is equal to 8 minus y. We call this is the equation number 3, and we substitute the value of x in equation number 2. This will become so this is a product of x y, and x is equals to 8 minus y, and right hand side is 48. Now we multiply this y by 8, we get a 8 times y, minus multiply y by y, we get a y square. It's equal to 48. So in the next step, we subtract a 48 on both sides of this equation. So this will become a 8 times y minus y square minus 48. It's equal to 0. In the next step, we multiply this equation by minus 1, and also multiply this side by minus 1. So this first term will become a minus 8 times y. The second term will become a plus y square, and this term will become a plus 48, and 0 multiply minus 1 is 0. Now we rearrange this value. So this is a y square minus 8 times y plus 48, it's equal to 0. So this will become a quadratic equation, and we use a formula which is y is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. So a is the coefficient of y square, which is 1, b is the coefficient of y, which is minus 8, and c is a constant, which is a 48. So we put this value in this formula. So this is a minus, and b is a minus 8. So b square will become a 64 minus 4a is 1, and the c is 48 over 2a is 1. So we simplify this value. So minus and minus will become a positive. So it's a positive 8 plus minus 64 minus multiply 4 by 1. We get a 4. Multiply 4 by 48. We get a 192 over 2 ones are 2. So we again simplify this value. So y is equal to 8 plus minus 64 minus 192 is minus 128 over 2. Now in the next step, we find the factor of 128. So 2 6 are 12, and 2 4s are 8. 2 32s are 64. 2 16s are 32, and 2 8s are 16. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 2, and 2 ones are 2. So we write this as a 8 plus minus 1 multiply 128 is equal to 2 square multiply 2 square multiply 2 square and multiply 2 over 2. So in the next step, we simplify this value. So 8 plus minus square and square root will cancel, this and this cancel, so this will also, so this and this will cancel. So we get a 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 square root 2 multiply minus 1 over 2. So again simplify this. Y is equal to 8 plus minus 2 multiply 2 is 8 over, we know that square root minus 1 is equal to iota, so we write this term as a 2 root 2 iota over 2. So we write this as a y is equal to 8 over 2 plus minus 8 times square root 2 iota over 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8, we get a 4. This will also cancel, we get a 4 times square root 2 iota. So this is the value of y. We write this as a y1 is equal to 4 plus 4 times square root 2 iota, and y2 is equal to 4 minus 4 times square root 2 iota. Now in the next step we find the value of x, and the equation number 3 is x is equal to 8 minus y. So we find the value of x if y is equal to this. So this is x is equals to 8 minus y is 4 plus 4 times square root 2 iota. So this is a 8 minus 4 times square root 2 iota, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So the value of x is this. Now if the value of y is 4 minus 4 times square root 2 iota, then we find the value of x. So the x2 is equal to 8 minus y is equal to this 4 minus 4 times square root 2 iota. So it's a 8 minus 4 plus 4 times square root 2 iota. So this is equal to 8 plus 4 times square root 2 iota. This is the value of x2. So we have done. So the value of x and y is 4 minus 4 times square root 2 iota. Then y is 4 plus 4 times square root 2 iota. If x is 4 plus 4 times square root 2 iota, then y is 4 minus 4 times square root 2 iota. And we have done. Thank you.